2023 Toyota rav4 colors, changes, redesign. Just last year Toyota was able to offer a lot more than 350,000 rav4 models, which are among the greatest results available on the market. With these products marketed, in addition, they were able to promote greater than 45,000 hybrid versions that are rather remarkable to the proper. Not too lengthy back they disclosed the actual 2023 rav4, including an all-new edition of your experience. Quickly enough also, they are supposed to disclose the particular 2023 Toyota rav4, which usually will probably experience several understated changes. First of all, we count on the vehicle to be for sale at a fresh cut level with all the premium. In addition, it could also acquire some focus on its jogging products, particularly because the hybrid does not have the convenience of the normal version. When they can find that out, then a hybrid will turn out to be less complicated to offer, plus it may come to be among the finest offering hybrids inside the US. 2023 Toyota rav4 redesign. Exterior design. The particular 2023 Toyota rav4 is predicted to be virtually just like the continuing product. It is going to carry on and talk about its appearance with all the typical variations, with all the only variations getting the particular hybrid badges. Several advised the auto might get the journey cut degree, but Toyota, regrettably, claimed that this version would just be provided by the normal petrol powertrain. This will likely keep the hybrid as being a somewhat tame searching crossover, which will need to make an impression on having its fuel economy and also fantastic interior design. Interior design. On this page, the rav4 constantly was able to win over, and everything is only getting far better. First of all, it appears that the hybrid will get much more safety features when normal. Things such as an adaptive vacation cruise management process, a frontal crash alert, an avoidance program, and also sightless place tracking will come as normal. The design in the cabin will stay unaffected, which implies well-defined aspects will continue to master the rav4's interior. Thankfully, even though these do supply the cabin a muscle appearance and the reduced than typical traveling placement replace with incredible expertise on the inside. We might view a new toned stage with higher quality leather-based, a greater infotainment display, better controls, or even a computerized musical instrument group. This has not been proved, however. It would certainly raise the particular 2023 Toyota rav4 around the majority of its competition. 2023 Toyota rav4 engine. Right here, the 2023 model in the auto will stay just like usually the one just before it. This simply means it is going to still rock and roll the identical 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain that has been able to amaze thus far. It can be improbable for your 2023 Toyota rav4 to obtain a hit in energy, even though gossip advised it. We anticipate the automobile to go on to provide a put-together production of 194 HP, to the all-tire travel design. This receives another 67 HP motor unit that will push the back tires separately through the fuel engine. This fundamentally will allow the rav4 to present an all-tire push and never have to work with a prop shaft. The particular CVT transmission will be here to keep too, and concerning performance, the hybrid needs to nonetheless be capable of trump the actual 2.5-liter power plant. The sole downside will always be the top tire push design, which must do without having the 67 horsepower motor unit that is somewhat of a disgrace. Nevertheless, this can present far better fuel economy, hence it may be the more effective selection for these trying to set some a long way on the automobile. 2023 Toyota rav4 release date and price. The other auto will almost certainly continue to be unaffected, which can be predicted. Toyota does renew your 2023 Toyota rav4 not too lengthy in the past, along with the hybrid delivers fantastic performance for that price. Like many of us mentioned, the only negative aspect should be managing. Due to additional body weight along with the very same operating products because of the typical 2.5 design, the actual hybrid rolls a lot more throughout the sides, along with its suspensions is flooded through the excess weight. We anticipate the 2023 edition from the vehicle to get a somewhat much better list of shocks and perhaps new springs. The result must be an even more cozy drive that can handle the car's excess weight. The price is probable, not likely to alter a lot, meaning it is going to nonetheless commence at approximately $30,000. Although it can have a small level of functions, the basic version remains gonna be worth the cost for many because of the wonderful fuel economy.